will study, okay. Kung book, ha. Okay, Asio. Who is national hero?
Dr. House Zero.
Okay. What is our national tree?
Noah.
Wow. What is national leaf? National leaf?
It's Noah.
Na leaf.
Ayana.
Anahaw.
Nahaw.
Okay. National fruit.
Mango.
National animal.
Carabao.
National bird.
Philippine bird.
Philippine.
Eagle.
Eagle. National sports.
It's honest.
Very good. National flower.
Sampagita.
National flag.
It's Philippine flag.
Very good. Galing naman ang baby. Galing yung mga kabaro. Tomorrow may exam kayo sa atin. Very good, ha? What is the color of the upper part of the Philippine flag?
Red.
Ay, upper part.
Blue.
Okay, again. What is the color of the upper part of the Philippine flag? Blue. What is the color of the lower part?
Red.
What is the color of the sun and the stars?
Yo.
What is the symbolizes of the three stars?
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Okay. Well, how many rays of the sun?
8.
Okay. What is the shape of the Philippine flag?
It's rectangle.
Very good. Galing.
I used to go.
Bravo.
Yes, go.
Very good.